Yo YouTube, what's good? Today we are going to be playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre again, but we're not the victim today. Today, we're going to play as the family, and I'm about to turn someone into a shish kebab. Let's go. Ah, he's got bellyache, bro. Ah, he's open. Yeah, we're going to get him. I'm coming with you. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Whoa, okay. Is it lagging? No, it's just cheering in that. Right, let's have a look. Here comes Butcher Man. I'm coming with you. Where's daddy? I'm gonna whip that. Daddy's here. Papi un niño. Well, hang on. I'm coming for these guys. Watch. I might turn them into a kebab. Ooh, build that stamina back up. I thought that was a wraparound, but it's clearly not. Come on, man. The door's there, of course it is. Man. That was such a long way round. Okay, we're gonna feed this brother. Let's have a butchers around, see if we can see anyone. Okay. Come on. Wait, mate, I thought about sneak attack this guy. Come here, daddy. Daddy wants you. Daddy needs you for breakfast, motherfucker. Now, where are these guys? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm going out. I've got a feeling one of these little fuckers will sneak out. My guy's noisy. Guys, Joker. Let's check his bushes. Okay, let's level up Grandpa. They've still got to be in the house, right? So yeah, there's a lot of football on the weekend. I think you're Arsenal Man United. That's a game. Even as not one of the fans, you've got to watch that. You know what I mean, I don't like either team, I'll be honest. I can't stand either of them, but if I had to take a win, nah, do you know, I can't even pick who I'd pick to win there. Come here, I'm gonna get you, motherfucker. Come here. Ah, you ain't. Oh, you little shit. I forgot there was a fucking world there, man. Pussy. What are you running away for? Well, I don't want to wait too, to be fair, but... Come here. Don't run too far. Daddy got his ass. That's an cringe as fuck, but I got him, I don't care. I'm not final victim, so I'm gonna stand by the exit like a creep. Yeah, so have you guys been playing this game? You've been enjoying it? If not, what games have you been playing and what games have you been enjoying? I'm open to suggestions. You know what I mean? This game's fun, but you can't live and die by it, do you know what I mean? It's definitely, as I said last video, it's definitely worth a play. Like, the game's fun. Do you know what I mean? Play with your pals. Jesus Christ, the amount of fun and screams you'll have. Oh, I see it. Come this way. You know you want to. Give me that kill. Where could she be? Where is she? Okay, let's collect some blood. We'll take a shot to Grandpa, try and get him level 5. We can find this little bitch. Nothing. 15 blood ain't gonna get him there though, is it? Not gonna get him there. What, it's better than nothing. What did I say? Collect. Come on, come on, come on. Let me feed you. And you're always hungry, big man. Come on, drink this thing now, drink this thing now. Come on, level 5, level 5. He put his head down. Come on, stroke his ball dead. You're in trouble now, little girl. Another way down. Concerned noises. Yes, yes. Give me that. Give me that. What? How do you get to... Oh, we done it. You done it, Daddy got his ass. Tap it. Yeah, we're over with that. We're over with that. Look, take 2 kills. That's like a high kill and 2 kills, man. I get more kills in this than I do in Warzone. Okay, so today, guys, as I said, was playing as a family member, was playing as Leatherface, probably the worst family member, but you need him to start the game. I'm just gonna carry on using Leatherface and turning people into shish kebabs with the end of the stick. Do you know what I mean? But so football's on the weekend. Chelsea got Fulham, Arsenal got Man United. I'm not too sure about the other games. I haven't double checked the whole fixtures for the weekend. Let me know who you're rooting for. Couple of score predictions. Call of Duty's end of cycle, FIFA's end of cycle, as we said before. This game's really good. There's like an Armored 6 game that's out at the moment. It's supposed to be a really hard game, just like Elden Ring. Fall Guys, I guess, past his time. Fortnite if you're still a Fortnite fan. No build's okay, but if you ain't played it, it's gonna get smashed. People have been playing the game for years. But thank you for watching the video. If you liked, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and I appreciate your time. Peace.